Hey there, science fans! Today we're diving into the cardiovascular system. Think of it as your body's own amazing delivery system. It's always working, 24/7, to keep you going. This system is all about transportation. It's like a superhighway carrying blood throughout your body. But it's not just any blood. This blood is packed with vital nutrients and oxygen. Without this incredible system, your body would be like a city without roads, buses, or delivery trucks. Everything would grind to a halt. At the heart of this system, literally, is your heart. This incredible organ is a powerful pump, constantly working to keep your blood flowing. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 on the top called atria, and 2 on the bottom called ventricles. Think of the atria as receiving rooms for the blood, and the ventricles as the powerful pumps sending it back out. The heart pumps blood through 2 loops. The first loop sends blood to your lungs to pick up oxygen. The second sends this oxygen-rich blood to the rest of your body. Every beat of your heart is a testament to its power and importance. It's a muscle that never takes a break. Now, how does the blood get around? That's where blood vessels come in. These are like the roads and highways for your blood. There are 3 main types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are like the big expressways, carrying blood away from the heart. Veins are the return routes, bringing blood back to the heart. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels, like the side streets and alleys. They're so tiny that they allow nutrients and oxygen to pass from the blood into your cells. This intricate network of blood vessels ensures that every single cell in your body gets the supplies it needs to thrive. Last but not least, let's talk about blood itself. Blood is like a river of life flowing through your body. It's made up of red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Red blood cells are like tiny delivery trucks, carrying oxygen to your cells and taking away carbon dioxide. White blood cells are your body's defense team, fighting off infections and keeping you healthy. Platelets are like tiny bandages, helping to stop bleeding if you get a cut. And plasma is the liquid part of blood that carries all these important components. Without blood, your body wouldn't be able to function. It's the lifeblood that keeps everything running smoothly.